Welcome to my channel. I'm dressed summer. As you can see outside, it looks really nice. Everything is green. If this is the first time for you to visit, thank you so much, and hopefully you're gonna enjoy this video and you like our channel. You can come back and watch the playlists. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. Continue watching our videos, giving a like. That helps push this video and others to more people. I appreciate that. Again, as you can see, it looks really nice out. Everything is green. Summer driving in St. Paul, Minnesota. This is called East Side, East St. Paul. They have a golf course over there. See, this is Phelan Regional Park. There's a lake right in front of me. You'll see it in a second. It's right there ahead of me. To the left. Right there. There's some people on the beach. It's busy. Because it's summer. It's hot out. People are swimming. There's a bike and walk path. I see guys jogging, people walking. Thanks for joining. Just wanted to show you that small twisty road. It looks like a country road. I usually call them country roads because it looks nice and you go 25 miles an hour. east side of St. Paul, Minnesota. So thanks for joining, thanks for watching. Come back and watch the playlist. Take care, peace out. This street is called Phelan Parkway. I think Johnson Parkway, not Phelan. Johnson Parkway. That's the name of the street right there. Bunch of people walking over there.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto Minnehaha Avenue East.
Alright, we'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and come
Take
back.
the next left onto Minnehaha Avenue East.
Watch more videos. Peace out.